I do contract.
All right, Ken, folks, I'm in Houston. Look at this here. What's the name of that storm?
Hurricane Lee.
Hurricane Lee has hit New Orleans, killing my trip, but we are catching like wind from it and rain, hopefully not, but damn. And they just was
We're
calm.
actually hoping that there's some rain, and there ain't no party like a hurricane party, because a hurricane party don't end.
We got the Hennessy.
What the hell?
We got the
party
Scotch.
all
Yeah,
night
we
for that
party all
They gonna
night
get
for
some
a
Patron.
hurricane.
It's on.
That's a party in the making.
Y'all should have an earthquake party.
Y'all can't go home. It'll start and stop too quick.
We do the earthquake thing. This with the wind and the air here. Like, this is not the business. Wow.
But you eat the food and drinking a drink.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to drink in order to be calm with this.
Look at the tree bending. That's
That's how it
hurricane.
go down. That's how it go down.
Wow.
Last hurricane, that tree was on the ground.
And let me
This
tell you.
one right here, that's why it's half like that, because that tree was down.
Oh my! Oh God! Look, the light that came on. What is going on?
And if we were prepared, then somebody would have a smoker right here, smoking some meat, and there will be more chairs out, because this breeze feels good.
We finna get
So
them.
we would just party till the weather clear up.
This is not happening right now. What am I doing down south?
No, the crazy part is we weren't even supposed to get this much.
But we're thankful that we are. We
Oh
needed
yeah, I'm very
the weather.
thankful. We needed this. We weren't even supposed to get this much.
It's been 104 degrees.
For the
Let me
past-
tell you the difference between the
past
news.
month.
Let me tell you the difference between the news in California and the news.
Okay.
Here in California, the weatherman says, and today it is going to be sunny, temperatures 100 degrees, right?
Right.
Here they say, y'all, it's hot as hell. It's 104, but the shit feel like 110.
For real. For real.
They not only tell you what the temperature is, but then they tell you what it's going to feel like.
Do you know that I have clothes with me that are like jeans and dress shirts? I've been like this ever since I've been here.
Because
It's too hot.
Look at this.
Too hot.
I am not playing, and it feel like I be having on a turtleneck.
Yes,
It is not a joke.
and it is hard to be cute with sweat stains.
Yeah.
God dang, my shoes can't take it.
Wow. And I don't know if you can see the dark clouds, man. So they say that the hurricane has hit land. It has hit land.
Yes, over in Louisiana, over New Orleans.
And it's just sitting there.
And that's why I couldn't go to
And
New
we are
Orleans.
how many miles away? We drive there. We're about 5 hours
About
away
5, yeah.
from New Orleans. And so this is how big that storm is that we're feeling it here.
I would take my earthquake any day.
They just showed
6.7, bring it. Bring it. All right, I'm out, man.